So, welcome back to the channel. I thought I would do a quick video on if anybody needed any help. I know I couldn't find a lot of information on this. Trying to take your key out, if you need to take the shroud out from around your steering wheel to get to anything around the steering wheel. So, this is it, and it just slips out of this right in there. Now the key has to be in the on position. I mean, not started position, but on. And there's a little hole right here. You can stick a screwdriver, a small screwdriver in there, and push this right here in. To get it to work correctly. So, as you can see, let me see if I can show you here. Let me see if I can get the camera correctly aligned up. So, you have to, let's see if I can I'm trying to get the camera fixed up where you all can see. Just hang with me. Okay, so you just clip it into the on position. So that's park, and then you swing it out and the button goes in. And that right there allows it to go back in. And then it squeezes into that hole right there. And then to take it out, you just put the key into on position, not started position, on position, and then press down on that and it will come right out. So I hope this video helps somebody. Thanks for watching.